LEAD is a student-led organization that teaches students how to develop and grow in their leadership skills so then they can apply those skills into the classroom, into their community, and in their future career.
LEAD contributes to the student body as a whole by providing several different paths of leadership development that you can choose. One of ours is the Certified Student Leadership Program, where students will join and they'll meet for 8 weeks each semester with their same group and kind of work through these leadership development topics that they can apply to their life. And then we also provide leadership workshops and presentations that can be customized to other organizations and other classes, groups on campus, whatever they need. We can give a leadership development presentation on that. And then finally, we host leadership development events such as our etiquette dinner and our leadership lunch and learns, where any Auburn student can come and they can get free lunch or free dinner and just learn about leadership development and how to use it in the workplace.
A lot of people have leadership qualities, but they're shy to show it off. And what LEAD does is that they allow them to express that a lot and show that everyone has a leadership quality that they could implement into their life. And it's important that they could take that and implement to their community. And it's just great on Auburn students as a whole too.
The biggest thing I want students to know is that LEAD is for everyone. You don't need to have leadership experience or any sort of leadership development in your past. We take all students right where they're at and we meet them there and we help them grow and develop from that point.
Students can best get involved in LEAD by entering in our flagship program, the Certified Student Leadership Program. It's a 16-week curriculum that students learn and grow about the strengths and skills that they already have and how to tweak them and apply them to leadership skills that they can use in their community, in their classroom, or in their future career.
For me, the biggest thing is the community. This year especially, since the rebrand, we have been pushing community all the way from our executive board and president down to our participants. And having this community of people who truly do want to see you succeed in everything that you do. They're there as a support system to fall back on when things don't quite go as planned, but they're also going to challenge you and make sure that you are pushing yourself and you're not just satisfied with the bare minimum.
I would encourage students to join LEADauburn because it truly is such a positive community and makes the transition to Auburn University so much easier.